In this video, we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 11. So let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. After reaching the official website, keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu and the current version is visible. Here it is, Python 3.14.2. Click on it to download. The download started. Let's wait. The exe file downloaded successfully. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here first select use admin privileges. After that select add Python to path. Click customize installation. Here optional features are visible. It will also install pip. Pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. With that it will also install idle, that is ideally development environment, which is used to run Python programs. We will check this later. Click next. Advanced options. Select install Python for all users. Python will get installed in the following location. Not a problem. Click install. Now the setup started. Let's wait. We have installed Python. Click close. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Now type the command python hyphen version. Press enter. On pressing enter, the following version is visible. That means we successfully installed Python. Now let us run our first program. Click close. Go to start, type IDLE. I hope you remember while installing Python, we also installed IDLE. You can also call it idle. Click open. We will use this to run our first Python program. So I'll type something using the print method. Print method is used to print anything. So here, let's say I'll mention my name and that's it. When I'll press enter, it will display the output. Here it is. Later on, you can also go to file and save this on the desktop or anywhere else. So let's say I'll save it on the desktop with the name demo. It will automatically add the .py extension because Python files are by default selected. Click save. Now our file is visible. Now for a free Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free notes.